Scratch Junior 5-minute challenge. Ditto transform. Today's challenge is Ditto transform. We'll be coding a scene like this with these code blocks. And we're gonna make Ditto turn into a Pikachu. Are you ready? Set, go! Okay, let's code, guys. So you guys should have Pikachu, Diglett, and Ditto from our previous challenges. If not, click the video on top here. Let's code Ditto first. I'm gonna make Ditto say, I will transform into Pikachu. Okay, so that's good. And maybe I'll make Ditto move, like do a little hop. But I want Ditto to hop exactly when it says something. So I'm gonna use another green flag here. And let's see. Actually, maybe we'll say, click me and I will transform into Pikachu. So yeah, that'd be cool, right? We could have people click on Ditto and then it will transform into Pikachu. Okay, I'm gonna use some repeat blocks to add more motion here. Yeah, just like that. And then I'm gonna use on click. On click. I'm gonna make Ditto hide when you click it. Yeah. Maybe grow and then shrink and then hide. Yeah. Just like that. That looks so awesome. So it's really cool to use that tool, guys. I don't know if you've used Start on Tap before, but it's super cool. Okay, well, we need another Pikachu because we need Ditto to turn into Pikachu. So for the second Pikachu, I'm gonna make it hide first. And then it's going to appear when it receives the orange message. So you click Ditto, and then ta-da, it's a Pikachu. Isn't that awesome, guys? Yeah, that works because we have a send orange message on the Ditto. And then the second Pikachu comes alive when it receives an orange message. Alright, guys. So it looks really cool right now. But I'm gonna make it hide right from the start instead of saying on green flag hide, because I don't want the second Pikachu to appear unless you click on Ditto. Isn't that so awesome, guys? I love how Ditto can transform just like that. Okay, so after Ditto transforms into Pikachu, let's make the other real Pikachu say, huh? Another Pikachu? So when it receives a red message, it will say that. And maybe it'll just like hop and just be really surprised. Okay, so when you click Ditto, it will transform into a Pikachu. And then the real Pikachu will say, huh? Another Pikachu? And hop. It's so cool. Okay, Ditto, let's see. Oh, sorry, Diglett. So when Diglett receives a red message, it will also hop. And what should Diglett say? How about like, what? So all the other Pokemon are super surprised. When you click Ditto, it transforms into Pikachu. And then the other Pokemon are super surprised. So that's my project, guys. What do you think? I think I really love this project. I want to see what you guys created. So make sure to you share your project on Twitter and tag at Ottiya_global. And I'll see you guys next time. Alright, guys, take care. Bye.